Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Sony Cybershot DSC H300 camera. Here are its features. Every picture a revelation. The Cybershot H300, with a powerful 35x optical zoom, brings your subject to you for beautiful, precise pictures. A 20.1 MP sensor, HD video, and creative features let you capture detailed images and movies with ease. A DSLR style body allows for comfortable handling when shooting, panning or recording. Bring the world closer with a 35x zoom. Get a close-up with confidence using the Cybershot H300. The 35x optical zoom lets you shoot up close with blur-free precision, and zoom out for wide-angled shots. Every detail sharp and clear. Take detailed pictures with the high-resolution 20.1 MP Super HAD CCD sensor. Capture images with vibrant color and clarity, even when blown up to A4 or bigger. HD recording made easy. Simply press the recording button to start shooting 720p high-definition video instantly. Record in MP4 at a speedy 30 frames per second. Perfect for fast editing. Handles like a DSLR. The H300 has a solid DSLR style body for confident handling. Enjoy a comfortable grip and intuitive, easy-to-reach controls for a steady shot every time. Capture 360 degrees of the shot. Shoot a true view of your vista. Simply press the 360 degrees sweep panorama button and move the camera as it stitches together a series of frames for a panoramic image. No shakes, just blur-free shots. The freedom to shoot crystal clear pictures on the fly and without a tripod. Optical SteadyShot dynamically counters movements to keep the subject in focus. Don't leave it to guesswork. From close-ups to twilight portraits, the levels and focus are adjusted automatically, so you can quickly and easily get the results you want. Flatter your subject. Automatically removes blemishes, brightens teeth, and more. Get creative. Picture Effect supplies 4 built-in effects to get creative with. 35x optical zoom. With the built-in 35x optical zoom, one of the most powerful zoom lenses for Cybershot, no image will ever be out of reach. You'll be able to get close to the action with ease, shooting brilliantly detailed images across the full focal length. Advanced flash. Most on-body flashes still struggle to deliver balanced, noise-free images in low-light conditions. That's where advanced flash differs. It automatically boosts the camera's sensitivity settings, so you'll be able to take brighter, clearer pictures with the same amount of light. High-quality HD movies, 720p. With a Super HAD CCD sensor, you'll be able to shoot high-quality HD movies, 720p, with minimal noise distortion, even in darker environments. Just point the camera at your subject and start filming. Specifications. Brand: Sony. Model name: Sony DSC H300 B. Color: black. Hardware interface: AV port. Compatible mountings: Sony Alpha. 20.1 MP Super HAD CCD sensor. 35x optical zoom lens. Optical SteadyShot reduces blur even in low light. HD video capability for beautiful video. Sweep panorama to capture the whole scene. Sensor type: 1/2. 3 type Super HAD CCD. Number of pixels, effective, 20.1 MP. ISO sensitivity, ISO 80-3200. What's in the box? AA battery. Shoulder strap. Lens cap. Lens strap. Multi-USB cable. Instruction manual.